Furup Kanglup Naiba wakhallon na chokot khongthang purakpada thintahanbani. Army yaona tongan-tonganba leibak asigi forces sing amadi meeyamgi marakta hanna leiramba mityeng amadi wakhallon sing hongdokpa matam oire eikhoi yeknaba natte haina Chief Minister N.Biren hongdokre. Wafam asi Palace Compound da Leiba City Convention Center da Future Ready Manipur Looking Beyond Ethnicity and Insurgency haiba wafam da yumpham oiduna pangthokhre North East Seminar list Singaniga Supna Kunganitoy Saruk Yaduna, Fongdokibani. Assam Rifles amadi Manipur University anina kutsam nana sindunanga se pangthokhre seminar aduda Lengaki Minister Singh, MLA Singh, DG Assam Rifles, IG Assam Rifles South, Lunena Assam Rifles Rank and Files ki tongan-tonganba makok thongba Singh, Manipur University ki Vice Chancellor yaona tongan-tonganba maru oiba miyoi Singh amadi Mahiroi Singh su saruk yake. Makhatana Chief Minister na Fongdokibada Ching Tam Thong Manahanba Amadi Yeknaba Leitana Tangdu Leitabaga Loinana Chokot Khongthang Purakpa haibasi BJP Lengaki Pandamni Masi Pumnamak Oithoknaba Panliba Lengak Asina Go to Hills Go to Village na Chingba Khongthang Kaya Paikatuna Leptana Thabak Thoram Kaya Changsinli Meeyamgi damak leiriba leibak asigi tongan-tonganba forces sing amadi meeyamgi marakta afaba wakhallon sagatuna hanna leiramba aranba mityeng sing adu hongdokpagi matam oire eikhoi yeknaba natte kanglo furup naiba wakhallon amadi politics na leibak amadi khunai asigi chokot khongthangda thintahanbani leibak asigi oiba chokot khongthanggi damak eikhoi amatta oina thodang lowba mathau tai loinana Act East Policy na chingba ahongba khongthang kaya purakliba asida leibak asigi awang nongpok state singi oina fangpham thokpa khudong chaba sing logduna chokot khongthang puraknaba hotnaba tangai fade khunai asigi tunglam chat lepkadoriba lamdam asigi naha singna lakadoriba ahongba sing asigi maramda wakhal losing tasinba mathau tai haiki amaromda Manipur University ki campus da lairiba army camp asi miyamna pambagi tung inna athubada hongdoknaba wafam thamduna Myanmar da tainaba border da police outpost kuntraga mari thamnaba home minister na ayaba pirakpa laikre masina borders da illegal oiba thabak thoram sing thengnabada chauna mating panglagani thajai haiba wafam sing su thamki
can say with immense pride that a major credit for each of these achievements should go to the Director General of Rifles and the IGR shot. It was not easy for them considering that their drought is about paying the price in blood and sweat over the past 4 decades and that they have the gratitude of the people of Manipur for their service. So it is indeed heartening to see that after having enabled us to get to this point, the Assam Rifle has the vision and the commitment to sign a memorandum of understanding with the Manipur University for conduct of events such as this seminar, where people from all walks of life can brainstorm ideas for a prosperous and a peaceful future for Manipur.